Hi guys, so today I want to share with you how I actually make my Ofe Akwu. Some people call it Banga soup without seasoning cubes. Yeah, so um, this one is actually for Banga soup. This is actually for Banga soup, while this one is for Onugu soup, that's bitter leaf soup. So the thing here is I'm gonna be cooking them without seasoning cubes, but you guys have to watch me. So this one is almost ready. Like this contains only the um, palm kernel. Like you boil the palm kernel, then you squeeze out the liquid. So this is just the liquid. It's already getting very thick, so I'll be adding other ingredients to it. So what I have here is pomo, then this fish some people call it cumbia, some people call it titus, all sorts of names. Then just a little oroko here. So this is the fish, this is cow skin, pomo. Yeah, so I'll be adding that into the Ofe Akwu. The next thing I'll be adding is pepper, just a little bit, just small. Yeah, this into it, a little bit more into it. Then I'll just stir. You can see it's already thick actually. So I'll just stir it and allow it to simmer for a while. Then I'll allow it to simmer for a while. Then I'll add my this into it. Okay, so before then, I want to add crayfish and onion. I had to blend them together. That's why the color is like this. This is crayfish and onion. I really don't like seeing onion in my Banga soup. Yeah, so here you go. I'll just look at it, very thick, like then I'll just cover it and allow it to simmer for a while before I add my vegetables to it. For my Banga soup, basically, I love to use like 3 different vegetables. Here I have ugu. I have these tiny leaves Igbos called curry. Then I have ntram, what Yoruba people call efinrin. Igbos call it ntram. Scent leaf. The botanical name is Osimum gratissimum. Yeah, so basically I have the 3 kind of vegetables here. That's the way I cook my that's the number of vegetables I add. So my stew is my Ofe Akwu has simmered enough, so I just want to add my vegetables to it. Nice aroma, like then I'll just stir and allow it to simmer for a while. Then I add salt to taste and we will be fine. So I'll just add salt to taste. That's it. Our banga soup is actually ready, so I'll just turn it off and that'll be it. This is the final product. So this food is actually white rice, of course, and our banga soup. Look at this, thick, lovely. Just just a good old face. No, thick, like, let me take some and use it to eat my rice. Yummy, nice, absolutely amazing. Yeah, so try the recipe without this recipe of cooking banga without seasoning cubes, and give me feedback. I would love to hear from you what you think about it. Yeah, thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.